The tarpaulin is leaking, so all our wood's starting to get wet. We're gonna have to just really work hard on trying to get this boat done here in the next couple of weeks. Reinforcing the transom. You're gonna take, the transom is fairly thin, only 1/2 inch, but once you add a framing of 2x4s and 2x6/2x8s, you'll have a fairly strong transom. That's the goal. Okay. Show you the example. Okay, as you can see, this will be most likely the inside of the outside, I don't know. And then we need to do the same thing vertically. In other words, we need to start here, and these will go on sort of like on the outside edges, and we make the same cuts. Okay. Maybe able to cheat a little here. We don't have to make but one cut because the other angle was proper. You can never have enough clamps. Come on, really? Got the clamps in the same direction that I'm pulling, more or less, so hopefully that'll make it easier. This transom's almost done, boys. We're gonna have to take this inside, let it dry, before we epoxy it up. All right, now for this side, we come here and use this piece to match the top, since we already have that angle cut properly. Clamp that bad boy down.